Hi everyone! Welcome to English Learning Garage. Do you feel like the English language sometimes feels like a big, confusing puzzle? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to help you solve it. Stick around till the end, and you'll not only understand more English, but you'll also have fun doing it. Ready to jump in? Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about why learning English is so important. Whether you're traveling, getting a job, making new friends, or just enjoying movies in English, speaking and understanding the language opens up a whole world of opportunities. But here's the thing, learning English doesn't need to be stressful. You can actually learn a lot just by listening and understanding stories. So, today we'll do just that, and along the way, we'll cover important English grammar, vocabulary, and phrases you'll use every day. Imagine you're walking in the park, and suddenly, you see a little puppy. It's running around, wagging its tail, and seems really happy. But wait, something's not right. The puppy is lost. Its owner is looking for it, and the owner says, "I am searching for my puppy." What do we notice about this sentence? The word am and the action searching. That's a clue. It's the present continuous tense. The present continuous is used to talk about something happening right now. Like, I am talking to you, or she's playing with her dog. See? It's pretty simple, right? Okay, your turn. Look around you. What is happening around you right now? You could say, I am sitting, or I am learning English. Tell me in the comments, or shout it out loud if you're watching this on your own. Now, let's take a step back in time. A few weeks ago, my friend Sarah went on an adventure. She visited a beautiful town, saw an old castle, and met some amazing people. And guess what? She told me, I visited a castle. The past simple tense is what we use to talk about something that already happened. Visited, saw, and met are all examples of past simple verbs. Here's a fun fact. Most regular verbs in English end in ed, so when you're talking about past actions, you just add that little ed and voila, you're speaking about the past. Here's a fun story. There was a chef named Mark. He loved to cook delicious dishes, but he always kept his recipes secret. One day, his best friend asked, "What ingredients do you need for your famous soup?" Mark smiled and said, "You need fresh tomatoes, onions, garlic, and chicken." Let's look at these words, ingredients, fresh, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and chicken. These are all great examples of vocabulary that we can use when talking about food. If you're going to cook in English, knowing words like these will help you explain your favorite recipes to anyone. So tell me, what's your favorite dish? What ingredients would you need for it? Let me tell you about a train I once rode. It was big, fast, and shiny.
The train was really fast, like lightning fast.
And the seats inside were so comfortable, soft, and cozy. Adjectives like big, fast, and cozy describe nouns. Nouns are things like the train, the seats, and so on. English loves adjectives because they help us paint a picture. When you're telling a story or giving information, adding these describing words makes everything sound more interesting. So, what's something in your life that's big, fast, or cozy? Use an adjective to describe it. Let's do a quick challenge. I'll say a word, and you describe it with an adjective. The ocean. A tree. Your favorite song. Take a moment and pick your favorite adjectives to describe them. Let me share a little about Maria. She just started a new job. It's exciting, but also a little scary. Her friend, Jane, gave her some advice. You should be on time, and you must be polite to everyone. Notice the words should and must. These are modal verbs. Modal verbs are special helpers that give advice, show possibility, or make requests. Here's a breakdown. Should is like giving advice. You should study more. Must is stronger. It's like a rule or requirement. You must drink water every day. So, what's some advice you have for someone learning English? Try using a modal verb like should or must. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. The present continuous helps us talk about things happening now, like I am learning. The past simple lets us describe actions that happened before, like she visited a castle. Vocabulary helps us talk about the world, ingredients in cooking, or places in nature. Adjectives make our language colorful and detailed, like big, fast, or cozy. And modal verbs like should and must help us give advice or make rules. Well done! You've learned some key elements of English today, and remember, learning takes time. Keep practicing, keep listening, and soon you'll feel so confident using English. You've got this! Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also learning, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons. Until next time, happy learning!